Hi everyone! So I decided to do this video to show you what I packed with me, and I'm going to be away for a few weeks. I don't have any hold luggage, so I had to deal with taking all my cosmetics and everything I needed and my hand luggage. If you've been flying before, I'm sure you know what that means. All liquids need to be in this 20 by 20 centimeters see-through bag. So here are all my liquids, and in this pink bag here are all the solid cosmetics that are not really liquids. I will start with the liquids bag. I managed to fit in quite a lot, but I have to be honest, I did repack this bag like 3 times, I think. It was basically like doing Lego. Like for example, these two I literally packed like that. So they would be... I did struggle a bit, but I managed in the end. So I will start actually with the ordinary Squalane cleanser, and this is just my makeup remover. I really like it. It has more of the consistency of an oil or of a cleansing balm, really. It removes makeup really well, it hydrates. I really think it's good, and it's not expensive. My skin should still be a bit dry. I just finished taking Roxanne yesterday. I'm curious how this will go, but my skin should still need the hydration of a cleansing balm and things like that. I don't have any eye makeup remover because, you know, you can find that pretty much everywhere. I don't have any particular needs with an eye makeup remover. I don't use waterproof makeup, so any micellar water, anything like that will do. We move into sunscreen, and this is my favourite sunscreen for under the makeup while having dehydrated skin, and this is the Can't Make Mermaid Skin Gel UV. If you want to read more about any of this skincare products, please read my best skincare while taking Roxanne article on my blog. I will link it down below as well. My second sunscreen I picked with me is this Ultra Sun Face Moisturising Anti-Aging Sun Protection. And if you're curious to find out more about this, please watch my Marks & Spencer's Summer Beauty in a Box video, and you'll see more about this product. I like it so far. I think it performs all right under makeup. And then my third sunscreen and the last is this small sample that my beautician gave me a while ago when I just took it back with me. By the way, if you hear a little bell in the background, it's just my cat running around. This is just a sample of sunscreen, and it's just, you know, it's a very typical sunscreen. It's quite greasy, quite heavy on the skin. It smells of sunscreen. So even though my beautician recommended this for me, it's not my absolute favourite. I tried to use it while I was travelling. Oh, hello! My cat's like wondering what the heck is she doing? Next thing is this eye cream from No. 7, Protect and Perfect Intense, and I really like this eye cream. I can't just not use any eye cream now. I just got used to it, and I really like this. I got it from a beauty album calendar, and I just took it with me. Next skincare product is this sample, again from my beautician, and it just contains the last bits of my extremely moisturising cream while taking Roxanne, which I'll probably still need a few days after I stop the treatment. It's all I had left, so I just transferred it into this tiny tube just to have it and to finish it while I'm travelling. Yeah, the cat is in this room, so excuse any bells and noises, please. The next skincare thing I have is this gorgeous Medicalia skincare post-operative care cream. It's absolutely fantastic, and my beautician said a million times how this will save my skin while taking Roxanne. So I took it with me, and hopefully I'll manage to get through it quite a bit, because it is a very expensive cream, so the container is really heavy, pretty chunky as well. So I absolutely love this cream, and I will alternate it in my night skincare routine. Next skincare item is this Daytime Makeup Revolution Hydration Boost. I absolutely love this moisturiser, really good, and it's my daytime moisturiser, but I mean you can use it pretty much anytime you want. Next skincare thing is this acne fighting aloe vera cream. It has niacinamide and some rosehip oil and other beneficial things like that. And again, I just put it in this bigger container, just have it while traveling. The last skincare thing I promise is this face masks from Hidraloe, and they're not a retail product, I'm afraid. I got them from my beautician and it's just a professional line. It's basically base 1, which is hyaluronic acid, and base 2 is activated cream, right? And this is a fantastic hydrating cream, and I just plan to use it after traveling because I did have 2 flights and I arrived at 5 a.m. in the morning. So I will use this today to sort of boost my skin and sort of make it feel a bit better. And I'll get rid of this contact lenses. The only exciting thing about these is that they're single wear contact lenses, so I don't need to have a contact lens case or removing solution and things like that, so that's fantastic. I'm really excited to start wearing lenses again now that I stopped racketing, especially now that it's really sunny here, so I want to wear some sunglasses, but we'll see how it goes. Next thing is my foundation, which I absolutely love. I really trust. I'm not sure how my skin will behave with it once it gets really oily again after rocketing, but I did take it with me. There's not a lot in it left. You know, if it's not fantastic, I'll just get another one. I don't have any concealer with me because I can find my concealer really easily here, so I'm just gonna go and purchase it as soon as I can. This is my favourite lip gloss from Laura Mercier. It's a lip glaze in colour blush and it's amazing. I really love this. And then it's just my mascara and my primer for eyelashes, which I absolutely love. These are the L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic products. You can read an article about them to see if they're worth the hype on my blog if you so desire. And that's all my liquids, which is quite a lot to be honest. Yes, if you don't see, you know, the standard like toothpaste or whatever and deodorant and stuff, you know, those are things that you just buy from everywhere you go, so there's that. And now let's move on to the non-liquid cosmetics. I just have a Home Bargain makeup removing cloth. Here I have a new sponge for applying my makeup, and I had never tried this before. I got it from a beauty advent calendar, so hopefully it's gonna be good enough to apply makeup while I'm here. Excuse the sandwich bag. I was trying to keep it clean while traveling. Right, my toothbrush. Nothing interesting here. Some silver jewellery. I've got just very few brushes here. I've got a contour brush from Real Techniques to apply highlighter with it. I've got a detail brush for my lips or my eyes from Real Techniques again. I've got an EcoTools brush for blending the crease, and a detail brush for my eyeshadow, and my absolute favourite brush for applying eyeshadow in the crease and blending out things. Here we have my contour stick, and this is the Benefit Hoola Quickie contour stick, and I really love this, and I don't have a lot of it left. This is all there's left, so that's good. I always love to go back with less things I came with, so it's easier, or in case I purchase anything here I can take it back. I've got some gorgeous glitter thing from Wet n Wild because I am going to a festival in a few days and I will apply this gorgeous duochrome glitter on my cheeks and my face just to make something fun. I have my favourite highlighter here, the Jennifer Lopez Inglot highlighter, and I do have a full review about this one on my blog if you want to see anything that I mentioned that's on my blog in this video. I will link it down below if you want to read more. This is amazing. I really love the Becca highlight as well, but this one is gorgeous for the body and is very shimmery. I feel like summer and wearing dresses is the best time to use this highlighter, really. Next thing is my hairbrush. I really love this. This doesn't break my hair. My hair is really long and it's also bleached, so I love this hairbrush and I travel everywhere with it. I've got some acne patches, pimple patches, or I'm not sure exactly what's their official name. They're from Bali and DM. Hopefully I won't need them, but I was like, you know what, after Rakuten, who knows what's gonna happen. I've got my favourite Stila glittery eyeshadow thing and I absolutely love this and And again, if I'm going to the festival, I'm gonna love wearing this. I've got my blush here, the Illamasqua blush in colour Rude. This is amazing, I love it, and it's gonna be gorgeous to wear in summer. Last thing but not least is my favourite eyeshadow palette, Couture collection. So I'm afraid you won't be able to find this that easily because it was a holiday collection. Here you have the gorgeous eyeshadows and a few lip products, which I absolutely love because they're very glossy and I love that. And the eyeshadows are absolutely fantastic in pigmentation. And I don't have any eyeliner with me, but I don't really mind because I can just use this dark shadow as a liner pretty much. It's a gorgeous palette. I can do a lot of different looks with it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, share, and thanks very much for watching.